Architect Joven P. Ariscado. Next on the list is not a neophyte in public service, for she formerly served as Barangay Captain of Basig and presently a Barangay Councilor. She is too young and very beautiful at 56. Born October 21, 1968 at Katayngan, Masbate. She is a college undergrad of BE Ed at Masbate Colleges. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my distinct pleasure to acknowledge as the elect Noni Lona Temblordi. A round of applause. Okay, thank you very much, ma'am. Third is an honorable gentleman who has proven his worth under the sun. Simple guy with a simple belief that public service is a privilege. And every privilege comes with a responsibility, meaning if we don't take the responsibility, we lose the privilege. Gentlemen and ladies, this young public servant is a bachelor at a very young age of 43, born on April 21, 1982. A Bachelor of Science and Commerce major in Banking and Finance, graduate at the Divine Word College of Legazpi City with 12 amazing years in public service as municipal councilor. My dear friends, the Honorable Mark Amante Anduesa. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point, may I present to you a financially stable, yet a very down-to-earth man. A dear friend who is very comfortable to converse with. The reason why I can split smoothly in my classroom because the tiling project being materialized under his supervision as Homrompiti, a president of the gorgeous Matilde section. He is 38 years old, born on June 7, 1987 at Barangay Basig. A PS Nursing College graduate of Aquinas University, now University of Santo Tomas, an overseas Filipino worker and businessman. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to the son of the late Paulino B. Sandigan and Alegria F. Sandigan as the elect Adan Fernandez Sandigan. Okay, at this juncture, may I present to you with pride a 10-year-old girl 29 years ago. 1996 is the exact year. Vibrant, active, determined, polite, humble are just few of the many adjectives I could give her as his teacher, not to mention generosity. She's so generous with the Olivis snacks, Sudan, and it worked. She got the first honors. Just kidding. We just pursued on the second. Today, she's 39, born on the 3rd of March, 1986 at Ocampo, Camarines Sur. To proud parents, the late Jose A. Ballesteros and Mary Ann Marpuri, and very fortunate to be raised by 3 loving aunts, Sol, Nora, and Leticia Ballesteros, who supported her all the way until she finished college at San Sebastian Recolitas, Manila with DS Financial and Managerial Accounting, destined to lead. She served as the SK Chairman of Mabipon from 1997 to 2002, Barangay Captain from 2010 to 2016, and Municipal Councilor for 3 terms, year 2016 to 2025. She's certainly what Patrick the editor is referring by his words, be a mentor, not a boss. Leadership is about being of service to others, not being served by others. I am overwhelmed with pride to acknowledge a long time ago, my grade 4, now our mayor, ladies and gentlemen, Mayor-elect Karen Marcuri.